Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to use Instagram Edits collaboration feature. So let's get straight into the video. So I'm going to open my Edits application just like that. Then tap on a project. So if you don't have a project yet, you can simply go ahead and create one. This is a little project that I have going on right over here, as you can see. Meta AI is doing something here. I can simply go ahead and delete it for the sake of this video, or let's just let it be there. Now, what you can do is simply go ahead and click on or finish your edit first. And then once everything is done, just click on export right over here. And it's going to simply go ahead and start doing the export tab. Once the export is done, you can simply go ahead and tap on Instagram right over here. And when sharing, you can simply tap on tag people and invite collaborator. Or if you don't want to do it from there, the other way you can go ahead and do it is going to be by simply tapping on the video and looking for the tag people option. If you don't see the tag people option, don't worry, because there's also link option, and you can click on profile and you can actually go ahead and choose the people's profile when adding this video. So it is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.